Hey you guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's Briana Lauren here. And of course, like always, I forgot to shoot the intro. So here's me giving you guys a little insight of what's going on. Basically, I'm just doing a shoot for my birthday and I'm prepping for my birthday, getting my nails done. I'm showing you guys that. Everything, getting my hair done, all that good stuff. Now, I didn't really talk that much in this video because I'm really just showing you guys what I'm doing. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoy. Keep watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Tell me a little something, give me some feedback on this video. Let me know what you guys liked about it, and yeah, let me know if you want to see more vlogs because I'm getting the hang of it or whatever. So yeah, here's a little intro for y'all. All right guys, so my hair is flat ironed now. I'm about to trim it. I'm about to cut it. She's doing my hair. I'm about to
on that.
And I'm about to put the link on the below. She does braids. She does everything, honestly. She can do everything. But yeah, she does braids.
It's late. What time is it?
10 something. Y'all, if y'all ever want to know my natural hair, like how it looks when it's straight, this is how it looks. And this is how long my hair is. Alright. Alright, she cut my hair.
Bitch, I should have gave you a bang.
The bang. Oh, whoa, whoa.
Oh. Hey.
Now I can see my hair is brown.
I love the brown. Hey, bitch. Hey.
Alright guys, so I wasn't able to record inside, but this is our makeup. I asked for a soft glam. If you know me, you know I always get soft makeup. But here's the makeup. My big old forehead. Y'all, please look at my face. And are y'all dumb or what? Because period. I'm dumb. Look at my face. Nah, let me stop. It's giving very much personality. Right. Alright. Y'all, I can't wait for you guys to see this shoot. These pictures. Cause honey, look at my nails. Like, it's just, I think because I haven't got my makeup done in forever. Like, I haven't got my makeup done in so long. What the? Yeah, what's wrong with me? Go.
Who's next?
Go. People across the street probably like, what is this girl doing? But anyways, I'm about to tell y'all who did my makeup and everything. I'm gonna let y'all know.
I'm going to hair, prep for the shoots. Entering the club. Period.
that's this video. Your girl is tired. I just got home. Today I had a really great day. It was a very productive day. I had a really fun day. And yeah, that was for my shoot. I guess you could say it's a birthday shoot or whatever. But yeah. So I'll be putting down who did my makeup, who did my hair, and all that good stuff. If you want to know where I got my dress from, I got it from Urban Outfitters. Now on to my birthday vlog. But yeah, guys, please like, comment, and subscribe, and put your bell notification on so every time I do post, you guys will be notified. Let me know what other videos you guys want to see next. You guys have been asking me for vlogs, so I'm giving them to you. Even though my life is not that, you know, exciting or like interesting. It is, but it's like not every day I'm going out doing something where like I could record and, you know, it's fun. But today was a good day. Today was a good vlog day. Sorry, I keep touching my hair because I'm in love. But yeah, guys, I'll put down my Instagram, my Snapchat, all of that. And yeah, I'll be posting the picture on Instagram as well, so stay tuned to that. And yeah, guys, bye, my lovelies.